everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the May Hip Kits. Today I'll create a mixed media layout and the assignment also says no pink and masculine. So I picked out this photo taken by my husband on one of his sailing trips, and I use lots of blues and greens, some color sprays and the simple story stencil which is included in the May color kit. I start with applying modeling paste using the stencil. Once the paste is dry, I can add color. I use some shimmer sprays from previous color kits instead of the Prima watercolors from the May color kit because I think a blue background matches my color scheme better than an orange and yellow one. I apply color spray on a palette paper and then I use a piece of foil to apply the color on my cardstock. Doing it this way, instead of spraying directly on the layout, I have more control over the color. I repeat the process with a darker blue and finally add some splatters. Now my background is finished. I cut green and blue strips from the Pinkfish Studio Keeping It Real Big Mood paper and add my photo. Then I pick out some of the Pinkfish Studio Keeping It Real die cuts which are included in the May main kit. I arrange them around my photo combined with some of the Jen Hatfield Reaching Out cardstock stickers which you can also find in the May main kit. I trim the paper strips and distress the edges and then I adhere everything. add 2 of the Page Evans Wonders dimensional banners and some of the Page Evans Wonders phrase stickers. These are included in the May Pocket Life kit. I add another cloud from the Pinkfish Studio Keeping It Real Puffy Stickers pack, which is included in the May Pocket Life kit. Then I fussy cut some of the phrases from the Jen Hadfield Reaching Out Stick Together paper and add them to my page. Finally, I embellish the layout with some of the Pinkfish Studio Keeping It Real animal dots, which you can find in the May Pocket Life kit. Here's my finished layout. As you can see, I changed the size. I cut it to 9 by 12 inches, which I think looks better. I hope you like it too and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for joining me today.